It has come to my attention that there are lots of people who don't know what QR codes are or how to even use them. For those of us who are not familiar with what I'm talking about this. These are QR codes, quick response codes. So now that we know how they look like, let's go into a brief history. QR codes were first developed in 1994 by a subsidiary of Toyota called DensoWave. They created what they called as at that time UPC barcodes, and these UPC barcodes were created for the speedy tracking of automotive parts at high speeds. What gave these UPC barcodes the advantage was the fact that these parts could be tracked using your camera instead of a traditional laser, as at what they used at that time. Today, we're going to be talking about how to scan these QR codes. Now, it's important that we note that as time went on, these QR codes transcended just being in the automotive industry into every facet of life. It's now in food, it's now in shipping, it's in stores, everywhere. It's in magazines, it's in bookshelves, it's everywhere. So let's talk about, if you happen to see one, probably in a magazine or in a book or something, how to scan it. First things first, for the sake of this presentation, we're going to be using a Samsung Galaxy S4. On your screen, you're going to see a list of recommended apps that you can use for scanning QR codes. If you're using a BlackBerry, for example, if you're using an Apple device, maybe your iPad or your iPhone, on the screen you'll see some apps that you can use, recommended apps, very good apps that you can use to scan QR codes whenever you see them. First things first,